Are you looking to open a business in UAE, whether it's in mainland or Freezon? What's the main advantage you are going to get it? See, if you are starting a business in mainland and you have to make sure that your entire process is controlled under DED, Dubai Economic Department. So you have a regulation and everything will be monitored and structured under the mainland law. If you are going to open an office in or business in Freezon, what is the benefit you are going to get it? Number one, you will get 100% ownership in Freezon, 100% foreign ownership you will get it. The most important thing which you are going to enjoy in the Freezon is that your freedom of movement, the freedom of movement of your business transaction, the freedom of movements of your goods and services. When compared to mainland, you will be having more vibrancy inside the Freezon. I didn't mean that there is a problem in mainland. Mainland, when you are doing the business, you have to have all the laws which is implied in your organization. For example, FTA, VAT authority, corporate tax, and also all the rules and regulations set aside by the DED, which is monitored under the mainland business. So, what is your preference to start an organization or business inside the Freezon? The Freezon will give leverage for re-exporting business, to do the business with other countries, to export your business transaction to other countries. In world, I would like to say that with my experience and everything, Jebel Ali port or Dubai port is the most user-friendly port in the world, where you will be having user-friendly transaction can be happen. Everything is systemized way is moving in Freezon. There is a single window operation is there. Even though you are a small company or big company, there is a freedom of movement and everything have been properly controlled and monitored in Freezon. Getting your employees visa, transaction movements, banking transaction, everything will be easy in Freezon. In Freezon to Freezon, if any business transaction is happening, we call it transfer of ownership of goods or services. Under the transfer of ownership, the goods and services which you are doing in the Freezon, which is commonly used the authority, a word called out of tax. That means out of scope. That means you are billing with the zero rated in that transaction. If you are re-exporting to other countries, you will be again coming with the zero rated tax. So that means if you do business from Freezon to Freezon, it's out of scope. If you do business from Freezon to other countries, will be zero rate. You have to fulfill all the document which is necessary for supporting and make sure that the authority, when they are going to inspect your books of account, the books is fully compliant with the authority. You have to have exit document, packing list, invoice, everything. Make sure that the goods are re-exported. Then you will be eligible for zero rated VAT return filing. In mainland, if you do any business, any services, you will be able to make the return with 5% standard rate. So what I mean to say that in mainland business, you have to have 5% standard rate for every transaction. When you are doing export business from mainland to other countries, again, you will be eligible to get zero rated VAT. The transaction is more flexible and user friendly when depends on the business which you are going to set in UAE. If you are planning to set a business for export or deal with other countries or outside the area, better to have a business in the Freezon. If you are doing business between UAE, that means among the Emirates of the UAE or between the mainland, better to have a business in mainland. If you have any doubts, anything you want to assist, please contact us. Thank you.